In the next example, our given number is with decimal point. So our number is 941.85. Then here you may have the question, how to find a pair, how to make a pair. So to make a pair, you ignore the digits after decimal point. Ignore it. For you should suppose you have only 941 while making pairs. While making pairs, don't think what is there after decimal point. What is there, that already we have wrote here. But for making pair, you are supposing there are only 3 digits. So here you are making pair like that. Nine only is here with you. Okay, so which is a square number you are going to find, which is near to 9 and can be subtracted. Means here don't say smaller than. 3 3 9 is exactly suitable here. So we can take, just I told you which can be subtracted. So 9 can be 9, 3 3 9 also can be subtracted from 9. So 3 3 9 I am taking here. So 3 3 9 and 9 minus 9, 0 is there, that I am adding here. Okay, and 3 is double 6 I am taking here for further execution. Here just I have 0 4. Then 0 4 is smaller than 6. So I cannot say 6 ones also. So let it be. I am saying 6 zeros are. I am saying 6 zeros are 0. And then remaining 4 I am adding here. And so here are 41. But before solving further example, I want to think, I am suggesting two things. So first of all, we had two pairs, 41 and 9. So 2 pair, we have got 2 digit in the answer. So here I am putting decimal point. And now from the 41 I should subtract dvandva of it. So dvandva of 0 itself is 0 only. So subtracting 0, again I am getting 4 1 41. So now I am thinking, if here is 6, then I can say 6 6 za 36. Remaining 5 that I am adding here, and here are being 58. Here are being 58. Now dvandva of those 2 digits 0 6. If 0 is there, then product is 0 and double of it is also 0. So nothing to subtract from 58, 0 to subtract, and finally I am getting here 58. And if it is 58, then 6 9s are, I can say 6 9s are 50, 6 9s are 54. So 58 minus 4, remaining 4 that I am adding here. Now finding dvandva of those 3 numbers, 0 and 9, 0 and double of it is 0 itself, and 6 6 are 36. I am subtracting from 49, remaining 9. So 9 6 1s are 6 I can do, and furtherly I want to stop because just only I shown you method of it. So as answer we are getting 30.691, and it can be further also. Yeah, next one. So here we had some digits after decimal point, but it is not matter for us, because from the answer where to put decimal point, that our method is what, just see how many pairs are there, and rest of all the digits are automatically being after the decimal point. So just our answer is 30.691. Okay, next one example we are trying. Now example is 5.8236. 5.8236. So making pair, for making pair, one thing only, ignore firstly what is after decimal point. So you have only 5, and so you are making pair of 5 only. So you have one pair only, just you have one pair. So by observing you can understand that you have many of the numbers after decimal point. So here also we need to make pairs. So now you can pair from decimal point. So those two number, then those two number, and furtherly so on. Just keep in mind, this is a new concept for you. After the decimal point, here are 4 or 5 digits. So how you would make pair of those digits? So from decimal point start. First 2, then next 2, then next like that. Okay, so we have done everything. Now the square number near to it. Definitely 2 to the 4 is there. So 2 I am taking here as the answer's first digit. 2 to the 4. That 4, 2 to the 4, 5 minus 4, 1 is there, that I am writing here, and double of 2 is 4, that I am taking here. Now here is 18 with us. Now if it is 18, then 4 4s are, we can say 4 4s are 18, 4 4s are 16, and if subtracting 16 from 18, remaining 2, that we are taking here. So now it is 22. So from 22 I should subtract dvandva of this one digit. 4 4s are 16. If subtracting dvandva of 4, then I am getting 6 again here. If it is 6 with me, then again I can say 4 1s are 4. Remaining 2, that I am writing here. So there are now 23 for me. And now if there are 23, then dvandva of 4 and 1 I should subtract from it. 4 1s are 4's double, 8 is that. If I am subtracting 8 from it, I am getting 15. And with 15 I can say 12, 4 3 is a 4, 3 is a 12, and remaining 3, that I am writing here. Now here I have 36, and from 36 I should subtract one of those 3 numbers. 4 and 3, 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24, and square of 1 is 1 itself. So 25 I should subtract from it. So answer I am getting 11, and with 11, 4 2s are I am taking. 4 2s are I am taking. Remaining 3, that I am keeping here with this 0, but I am stopping here. Further also you can continue, but I am stopping. So here where to put decimal point? Where to put decimal point? Before the decimal point only one digit, means only one pair have been formed. So from the answer only one digit would be before the decimal point. So answer is 2.4132. That's it. I think your understanding is clear for this example. See, just now, don't matter for us how many numbers are there after how many digits are there after decimal point. We just think how many pairs are there before decimal point. So only one pair was there, so only one digit we kept before the decimal point. Our answer is 2.4132. Now further one more example we are taking. Yes, now the example I am taking, the example is find the square of 97. It's a find a root of 97. It's not square number, complete square number, you know it. Okay, so we are finding just now. Okay, so only 2 digits are there, so only one pair is there. So let it be like that only, just by our process. Okay, so here I know it is near the square of 9. 9 9 is 81. Okay, so here I am taking 9, and 9 9 is 81. I want to subtract from it to write further one. So before that some zeros I want to add here for our example solving. Yes. So subtracting 9 9 is 81 from it, I am getting 16 here, that I am adding here, and it is now 16060. And so it is 9. So here I should write 9 2s are 80. 9 2s are 80. So now 18 8s are 144 is suitable here. 18 9s are 162. They are being bigger. So 18 8s are 144 we are taking here. And if I am subtracting 144 from it, again I am getting 16, that I am writing here. See concept. 160, from 160 I subtracted 18 8s are 144, I subtracted, so remains 16 that I added here. Now from the 160 I should subtract Dvandva of 8. 8 8s are 64, I should subtract. If I am subtracting 64 from 160, remaining 9 6 96 that I am taking for further execution. Then 18 is here. 18 5s I can say. 18 5s. So remaining 6 that I am adding here. It is now 6060. But from the 60 we have to try to subtract Dvandva of this. 8 5s 40 is double 80. So we cannot subtract 80 from 60. So 5 we cannot take here. We are taking here 4. We are taking here 4. Means 5 were not suitable for us. Okay. So 18 4s. 18 4s 72. 72 we are subtracting from 96. 72 we are subtracting. So we are getting 2 4 24, means 240 togetherly we are forming here. Okay. So if those are 240 here, then now firstly let us subtract Dvandva of it. 8 4s 32's double 64. 32's double are 64. So if we are subtracting 64 from it, we are getting 176. 176 we are getting. After subtracting 64, which was Dvandva of those two digits. Now here are 176. So with 176, now you can see easily we can say 9s are. 18 9s are 162. And if we are subtracting 162, we are getting 14, and that I am writing with this 0. Now here are, okay. So now just subtracting Dvandva of our numbers. Now 9 8s are 72's double, 9 8s are 72's double are 144, and its square is 16. So togetherly we have to subtract 160. 160. We have 140. So cannot subtract 160. That's the issue. So one way is that we can less it and we can add at no dot. But another one way we are learning. So suppose 16 and suppose Dvandva of it 160 I am trying to subtract. Dvandva of those 3 digits I am trying to subtract. So here what is the equation? 140 minus 160. So getting minus 20 as an answer. Minus 20. So let us multiply 18 into minus 20. I am getting as an answer minus 1, and remainder is minus 2. We could do by just cutting 9, we could take 8 and we can solve further example, it's not problem. But how differently we can do, that I am just telling you. So here what I told, I had minus 20. So if with minus 20 I said 18 ones are, but those were minus 1. And remaining minus 2, minus 20 minus 18, remained minus 2. That I wrote here. So now here are again minus 20 with me to solve the further example, but just I am stopping, because furtherly that only execution will be there. Minus 20, again you can say minus 1s are, and you can solve furtherly, it's not problem, but let us stop it. And now here see, only one pair we had before the decimal point. So from the answer 1 digit is there. So directly firstly we are writing answer 9.849 bar 1. So bar 1 you can convert easily. Now how to convert this 91? It can be with Van Coulomb system, it can be 80 9. That is not to teach you back again. So now this is your answer. This is your answer. 9.84849. Okay, yeah, this is the answer. Okay, so here in this example also we use Venn line. Also the same example again back we are going to solve with a different method.